This is the Fairfield Park. First time we came to this park, it was 25 minutes away from my home. It's pretty close, has plenty of parking options. This side is all parking, which is next to the 24/7 gym, Fairfield Leisure Center. But I have parked on the other side, that side. There also quite few parking. In terms of ride, this park has a lot of ride, as you can see. This one is one of them. This is another swing. This is the giant sliding one. This one you can ride. There's a spider net one you can climb, and there are some shelter place you can occupy. I can see some of the rides other side of the park as well. There are some challenge track you can see from here. See, we just climb all the way up in that pot and slided through this one. It was giant one. It was really good fun. We really enjoyed, but it's a hard labor, but we really enjoyed this one. Yay! That's good one. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Maro push up ni pull up. Do the pull up. Yeah. This is another ride here, swinging ride. There she is climbing on this small rope one. This you can play. Karo. Yes, like this. Karo. फिर से करो. Yeah. Again. Yes. Again. Push करो. Do the push. Do the pushing. Yeah. That's good. Hello Devchi. This is another unique one where two party has to pull the rope both side, and then keep going. Good job. Come down. There are some more challenges for kids here in this side. And this is the monkey bar. Keep going. This is another funny stuff here. It's like a mist flowing through on the roof. It's good for summer actually, not for winter, but it's really cool thing. Like you can have some. This is the rope climbing, so you need to climb all the way up. This is a big one, so it's very good fun for the kids. This is another one big challenge for the kids to go up and climb down. This Fairfield Park also have this green area to play around. Very nice green area. You can play cricket, soccer, volleyball, anything. This is another section of kids to take challenge. This is a tire one. You have to climb all the way up and come down other side. In summer you can also walk on this very quiet street in this park. Both the sides it's a really beautiful walk. This side also you can walk. This is another beautiful treetop walk here, free. Kids can go from here and can climb all the way towards that side. It's a very long treetop walk. It's a really good challenge for kids, and it's very long. You can go all the way from there to there to there to there, and this is the exit of that treetop walk. It's really cool. Park also have bubbler and the toilet couple of places. This is one of the toilet, and other side also we have toilets there, so it's pretty good actually. Yeah. This also have this particular ride, very nice ride. This is also very nice soccer play area here. Kids can play. This is another very good challenge for kids to climb up and then come down from the other side. Really nice. This is also another challenge here. You need to go on Everest and come down. the kids can just climb up. And so once you are on top, you can go by this way down or go by this way down. Walking other side also we have tire, and last one we have this wood structure to go down. This is one side of the entry of the park. You can't park the car here, but you can come by walk. It's very nice entry of this park. And obviously other side of the park you have a lot of rides where kids can play. Very beautiful entry here, like especially for the summer. It's pretty much covered and very quiet, peaceful. You can walk here very nicely. It's a very pleasing experience to walk on this particular pathway.